Hi, this is Kirti from Aviso, and in this video we will learn deal rooms in detail. Aviso deal rooms are a unified location for all deal specific conversations and strategies. These rooms are specially designed for sales and other team members working on an account to have conversations related to that deal with key information and AI insights. Let's see how do we access these deal rooms. Deal rooms can be accessed from the deal card by clicking on the fourth tab here, and if a deal room is not activated, you will need to activate it from the right hand pane. And the other way is you will need to go to the navigation bar and then click on digital war rooms to see a list of all the existing deal rooms. The handshake icon highlighted in green indicates that this is a deal room. From here you can have all the chat conversations, upload the relevant files and assign to-dos. Add more members by clicking on the attendee icon at the top here. And on the right hand pane you have Aviso insights based on AI available, and you can also leverage our audio video conferencing feature wherein you can click on meet now to begin a meeting immediately, give a name to the meeting, add and invite participants, get the meeting recorded and also transcribed. You get a dedicated meeting URL along with dial instructions. Leverage our schedule meet feature wherein you can copy the dedicated meeting URL along with the room members or the participants. Use your standard calendar invite like Outlook and Google or Gmail. And you have these recordings always available here. Click on play to listen to the recording, or you can download the recordings as well. Use the smart transcript feature to view the entire transcript of the recording and to see the talk durations of the participants. Search the transcript using the keywords available and also listen to the transcript in bits. Leverage our search box to see what each team member or your manager has spoken during the call. If you have an existing recording already available, use our upload file feature available to upload the recording for smart transcription. I hope this information was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact your customer success manager. Thank you.